you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Candy Club for December. Do you want to know what's in my boxes? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so today I received 2 boxes for December. Candy Club did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your amazing candy box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Now, they did send me this one other time, and then they got a hold of me and I asked if I'd be willing to show you guys another variation. I don't know why I received 2 of them, but I received them. So I'm gonna open up both of them. We're gonna see if they're the same things inside. Hopefully not, so then you can see 2 different variations, because that would be neat. So let's go ahead and dive in. I received an email from them after filming this, and they actually sent me the sweet and the sour boxes both to show you guys. I love their box. The packaging is so cute. I love all of the colors, especially the teal. So what do I open this on this side? So let's see what is in here. So this would be for December. So it says Live Sweetly. And it's so cute how they do have them arranged in this box with them just sitting nice and cute, just like that. And even the last time, nothing was out of place. They're all still like intact. So this one, ooh, there's some really nice things in here. Okay, you guys, I'm super excited. So the first thing I'm gonna pull out says Choco PB Pretzel Pillows. Chocolate peanut butter pretzel pillows? What in the world is a pretzel pillow? But I'm gonna find out. And I like these jars because you can just reseal them and you can stack them, sit them wherever. I like the jars that they come in. Oh my gosh, it smells heavenly. Okay, I think I know what this is going to be like. Yeah. It's just one of the little pretzels covered with chocolate. It's a peanut butter pretzel. Mmm. That is so good. Now, I'm not gonna try everything because holy moly, I don't want a stomachache by the time I'm done filming this. But the last box, everything in it was amazing, and I was really sad when it was over because they were so good. Like, I've never had candy that tastes so good and fresh before. So this one says Confetti Drops, and this one is Refreshingly Sweet. So this is a gummy. So it's like a gummy drop with all of the little sprinkles and stuff embedded in there. So there's that. Here's Cotton Candy Sour Belts. So they're gonna be like the sour ropes, but they're cotton candy flavor. Then here is Jelly Pretzels. This is pretzel shaped jellies bursting with juicy raspberry delight. Ooh, so raspberry jelly pretzel. Those look amazing. Look at that. There's the pretzel. Now we have Blue Raspberry Puffs. Oh, those sound amazing. I love blue raspberry. I gotta try one. Oh, the lave daffy. The lave daffy. But that's watermelon taffy, you guys. Watermelon taffy. Okay, I'm sorry, Blue Raspberry Puffs. I've got to go with my watermelon over here. I've got to try one of these. I love watermelon and I love the taffy. Okay, watermelon taffy, you guys. That's so cute the way that it looks too. That is so good. Ooh, watermelon taffy. Okay, so there's the complete box right here. So this is a variation of what you could get, like an example of what would be coming if you do order from this company. Let's go ahead and open up the second one. Let's see if this is the same. Well, let's see if these are different. Hopefully they're different, because then you can see 2. They're different. Okay, you guys, so this is how this one comes. And this box, we're going to have, ooh, big apples. That sounds amazing. Look at those big apples. Those are big apples. This one says giant apple shaped gummies infused with sweet tart freshness. And look at how big. Oh, those look so good. Peanut butter cookie bites. That sounds amazing. Peanut butter cookie dough morsels covered in rich milk chocolate. You guys, I love peanut butter. So I'm gonna have to try one of these. So these little balls. It's just like a, it's like a peanut butter cookie dough inside. That is so good. Okay. Sour cherry cola bottles. So they're the little cola bottles. Well, actually, not really little. Those are the biggest ones I've seen. There's that. Here's lemonade straws. Ooh, sour laces filled with mouth-watering, puckering pink lemonade delight. Those sound so good. Okay, so this one has a taffy, but this one is cotton candy taffy. The Laffy Taffy. It's a cotton candy flavored. And then the last one in here, it says pink piglets. Get ham on these sweet and sour raspberry-filled gummy piggies. Oh my gosh, they're actually shaped like little pigs. Let me show you. Let me clean my palette of this chocolate with a sour pig. Oh, they smell so good. Look at the little pig. There's a pig. It's a little sour. That's so good. That is so good. Okay, guys, so this is that complete box right there. So this is 2 different variations of boxes that you can see that could have been for this month. That's awesome that I get to show you 2. If you guys want to know a little bit more about Candy Club, I'll let you know right about now. They did give me a new code, which is 3 Crafty free. If you buy any 3 months, you'll get the 4th box for free. So if you buy a 3-month subscription, you will get 1 month for free, making it 4 months for the price of 3. And that is 3 Crafty free for the code. Now the fun box is 6 ounce candy cups. It's $29.99 a month plus shipping. Then there's a party box, which has 6 13-ounce candy cups, and that is $39.99 plus shipping. I believe the ones that they send me is the smaller 6 ounce. Yes, these are the 6 ounce. So you can do the box like this for $29.99, or for an extra $10, you can more than double your quantity and get the 13-ounce cups. And shipping is in addition. So how it works? A surprise and delight in 3 easy steps. Choose your size from the fun box to the party box. Then select your candy profile, mostly sweet or mostly sour. And then discover delectable candies at your door. Simple and sweet. So if you guys want to sign up, I will link them down below. You can follow that link. Use 3 Crafty free to get your 4th box free if you buy a 3-month subscription. And yeah, again, you guys, these are really, really good candy, and I'm loving these boxes and everything that I've tried out so far. So you guys, comment down below, let me know, have you ever tried anything from Candy Club? Have you seen this before? Do you want to? Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.